They say tomorrow will be better, but tomorrow has never come. Every tomorrow becomes today. So if I want to change my life, I must live today. I spent so many years chasing shadows, running after dreams across the sky, always saying one more day, one more time, then I'll start to live my life. But the morning called my name, with the sunrise on my face. God whispered to my soul, you never left my grace. Now I see yesterday is only a memory. Tomorrow is only a possibility. But right here, right now, this is where miracles begin.
Today is my day.
I'm breathing every blessing heaven sends.
Today is my day.
This is where my future truly begins. One prayer, one dream, one seed in the ground. Little by little life turns around.
Today is my day.
Won't let this moment fade away, because tomorrow starts with today. Every river starts with one drop falling. Every forest starts with just one tree. Every child learns one step at a time. That's how life was meant to be. Why should I compare my journey with another passing by? Different seas, different seasons, different reasons why. The sun never races with the moon, still they both light up the sky. So I'll dance while the music is playing, I'll laugh while my friends are near, I'll love with all my heart today, instead of waiting for another year.
Today is my day.
I'm breathing every blessing heaven sent.
Today is my day.
This is where my future truly begins. One prayer, one dream, one seed in the ground. Little by little life turns around.
Today is my day.
I won't let this moment fade away. Tomorrow starts with today. Oh, oh, oh. I won't borrow tomorrow's worries, I won't carry yesterday's shames. God has given me this moment, why should I waste it chasing rain? I'll taste the sweetness of the sunrise, I hear the children laugh and play. I'll hold the hands that walk beside me, because love lives today. Lives today. I won't wait for another sunrise to become who I was created to be. God has already given me everything I need today. Now that's all and time belong me.
Me no care for that long tomorrow.
God, let me stop one time me now.
One bella bra, one bella sit.
One bella step,
Little paso, me by go head.
because tomorrow,
Let me start long today.
today, is my day. Today is my day.